Today we're going to have an excellent case. We have a patient with a lower central crown that is fractured. So now our job is to remove that and match it exactly and make a new crown that looks entirely like a natural tooth. So are you ready? Let's go, follow me. So now we're going to be selecting the color of the tooth. So the best way, I like these glass ceramic blocks from Vita. I have a Mark II and a Trolux 410, but this is all porcelain, okay? So this is a multi-layer one. I'm gonna get it close to him, and I really like this one. This is the most tooth-like block that I use in my practice. This is really nice, okay? So I already have the material. Now let's start getting everything ready here. The reason we're going to be changing the crown because this tooth is cracked. You can see the fracture coming right here. Okay, so we want to prevent. We don't want this tooth to break when the patient's having dinner in a restaurant or something like that. So this is more preventive. But now we're gonna match the color of the tooth. This color is slightly lighter than the natural teeth of the patient. So we're gonna take it to a different level of accuracy and make it look more like a tooth, a natural tooth. For documentation, we're taking images, and I'm using DS Core just to have the information. Now we're going to start scanning. Removing the ceramic, we're going to be very careful because not to actually touch the tooth a lot. And we're going to change a little bit, be very conservative with this restoration. Today with digital technology is so incredible that right now I just finished taking impression and it went directly to the cloud. So for the first time in our office, I'm going to be able to design a restoration in the cloud and send it directly to my mills. Everything wireless, everything through the cloud. This is the most incredible advanced technology in the world here in our practice today. So I'm going to be designing the restoration directly online, and then from there send it to my physical mill machine so we can fabricate the patient's restoration. Okay, let's get ready to deliver this crown. We just finished milling the restoration on our in-house mills, is the prime mill, and we're gonna prepare the tooth now for the bonding. So what is bonding? We're gonna chemically bond, put together the ceramic with a tooth structure. So only, again, something can hit the ceramic and break it, but besides that, it will stay there for many, many, many years. Thank you. Make sure we have good contact in here. Perfect. Feels good? Excellent. Using the newest digital technology now with cloud-based, that we can scan with our intro scanners and be able to send it to the cloud and design in the cloud. And from any computer in the world, I can send it to, from the air, I can send it to my mill machines. It's just incredible. And this is when, actually it's our first patient that we do a restoration. They fit perfectly fine, made everything through the cloud. So that's what digital technology is all about. It's about precision. It's about be able to mock, Mother Nature and make teeth look like real teeth. And what can I say? Another successful story and another beautiful crown. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.